Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this lecture we are going to learn LeetCode problem number 1929. The problem name is concatenation of array. So do not worry if the name sounds difficult. This problem actually very easy. So let us understand it step by step. So first let us read the problem. We are given an array called num. So the array is num. So let me write. So the array name is num. So we need to create a new array called an. So ants. So the new array should contain the number 2 times. Suppose our num is 1, 2, 1. So in the answer it should be 1, 2, 1, again 1, 2, 1. So can you see what happened? So the original array is copied once more and attached to the end. So that is why the problem is actually called concatenation of array. So concatenation means joining things together. So let us see another example. Suppose we have another array. So we have 1, 3, 2, 1. So the answer should be 1, 3, 2, 1 and again 1, 3, 2, 1. So again the same array is added one more time. So now let us think about the logic. Suppose in this array we have the size equal to 3. So our answer should always be equal to n into 2 means double, that means 6. So we need an array with 6 positions index, like in this example. So the index position will be 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now copy the original array into the first top. So answer index 0 equal to 1. So answer index of 1 equal to 2. Answer of index of 2 equal to 1. So on the other hand, we have answer of index 3 equal to 1 again. Answer of index 4 equal to 2 and answer of index 5 equal to 1. So we are copying the same element again and again. So we are copying the element and attaching to the end of the array. So how can we do this using a loop? For every element, put it in its original position. Also put in the position called I plus 1. So we are putting I plus 1. So I is for loop iteration and n is the size of the array. So here n is the size of array. Suppose let me give an example, n equal to 3 and I equal to 0. So now the answer 0 equal to num 0. So if answer 0 plus 3, it becomes num 0. So that means answer 3 equal to num 0. So when it becomes I, so when it gonna becomes 1 means it gonna become 1 again. So if it becomes 1 plus 3, it becomes 1 again. So let me write it again. So if I equal to 1, so if I equal to 1 means the answer 1 equal to num 1 and answer 1 plus 3, that means equal to 4 equal to num 1. So like this we are doing I for I equal to 2. So the algorithm is, first we are going to find the size of the array. So the size of array. On the second step we are multiplying with 2 means it double. So running a loop from 0 to n minus 1. So n minus 1. So let me write it again. So 0 to n minus 1. So we are storing the number. Suppose we are storing the number I equal to answer I, and again we are storing num I plus n equal to answer I. So returning on the final step we are returning the array. So the time complexity for this logic is big O of n and space complexity of this algorithm is big O of 1. So which is also written as big O of 2n also, because we are doubling the size of the array. So it can be written as big O of n also. So because we are creating a new array. So this is the complete logic behind the LeetCode problem 1929. So in the next video, we'll open LeetCode and write the complete C code line by line with detailed explanation. So I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.